In the wilderness, creating tools from nature is crucial for survival. One bushcraft skill involves crafting a bandsaw wire using young saplings and plant fibers. By selecting flexible saplings and stripping them into thin strands, you can weave a narrow, sturdy wire. Twisting and braiding these strands increases their strength, turning them into an efficient cutting tool. This nature-based bandsaw wire can then be used to slice through small branches or other materials essential for building shelters or traps, showcasing an inventive survival technique, leveraging resources from the wild.